Welcome back, everybody. And the question we're answering today is the money printer turning again? So, Bitcoin traders are watching the price right now, which is hovering at 65K, right? But I'm watching the liquidity. Now, if you take a look at the M2, the US liquidity basically, it reached about $23 trillion in June, and it's grown roughly 5.5% a year. Now, what matters to me is just not this level. It is the acceleration. Take a look at how crazy this one is going up. You remember down here, 22, 21, where we had a strong increase? Those were the golden days, guys. Now, on top of that, if you take a look at the Fed rates, and those are still at 3.6%. Now, the most interesting setup is not simply the M2 going up. It is actually what happens if liquidity keeps expanding while the cost of capital starts falling. And so we're back here at our chart. We have more liquidity, lower opportunity costs, easier financial conditions. That's when risk assets gets interesting. And no, this doesn't mean that Powell is turning on the money printer again because he isn't in the Fed anymore, right? But I would say the money printer may be turning again very soon, just not in the way that CT thinks.